In today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to start a live stream on YouTube from Restream. First of all, sign into your Restream account. Then click on Channels, click on Add Channels. Select YouTube and go ahead and connect your YouTube account with Restream. Once you successfully connected your YouTube, now click on Create New Stream. Here, select Restream Studio. And you directly jump into Restream Studio. Here click on Channels. And now from this channel list, you have to find out your YouTube channel and enable YouTube from here. Then click on this cross icon. And in just a few seconds, your YouTube channel will be connected with your Restream live dashboard. Now, if you want to live stream your webcam to YouTube, just enable your webcam, or you can just click on this arrow icon next to video camera device. Here you can select any video encoder device. You can select OBS virtual camera as well. And to live stream your computer screen, just click on this share screen option. And here you can go ahead and select a specific window to share. So I'm just selecting here my OBS virtual camera. So on my OBS, I'm clicking on start virtual camera, and then here I'm clicking on this video drop down and selecting OBS virtual camera. Now all you have to need, just click on go live. It may take some moments to connect to your Restream with YouTube live dashboard, and we can see my live successfully started. Now I'm just going to my YouTube channel to show you. And as you can see, the live stream successfully started from Restream to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.